Hi guys, welcome to our complete Python course. In this course you will learn how to code and use Python like a professional software developer. This course will take you step by step from no coding experience whatsoever to becoming a professional Python developer. Even if you are new to programming, it's okay, as this course is designed for absolute beginners. This course is for absolute free, so you don't have to spend a single dollar to become a Python developer. So what are you waiting for? Let's start with the very basic overview of Python. What is Python? Python is an object-oriented, interactive, and well-known programming language. It was created by a Dutch programmer Sir Guido van Rossum in the late 80s, but it was released in early 90s. Nowadays, Python has become one of the most popular programming language, and the demand of Python programmers is very high. We will learn Python 3 in this whole course, which is the most recent version of Python. In this whole tutorial we will write Python code in PyCharm, which is a dedicated Python IDE, integrated development environment. PyCharm also provides a wide range of essential tools for Python developers. Features of Python. Let's discuss about some features of Python programming language that makes it quite popular in the short period of time. Easy to code. This is one of the reasons of Python's rise in popularity. Even a 6-year-old kid can also learn basic syntax of Python just in few days. Python is very easy programming language as compared to other popular programming languages like Java, C, etc. Easy to read. Python code pretty much looks like simple English. Unlike in JavaScript, there is no use of semicolons and the indentations to define the code block. Free and open source. Python is an open source programming language. That means it is available free for everyone, and anybody can use it for any kind of purpose. High-level language. Python is high-level programming language, yet it is almost effortless to learn. This makes it super popular and a favorite language of all newbie programmers. What is Python used for? So far we have discussed about what is Python and what are its features. But what is Python used for? Let's briefly illustrate the uses of Python programming language. Machine learning. We all know that Python is high-level programming language, so it's also used for various machine learning projects. Due to its simplicity, Python is one of the favorite language among data scientists. Web development. Python can be used on a server side to create complex web applications. Most of the web developers prefer Python because there are many frameworks like Django, Flask, etc. that makes the development process easier. Mathematics. Python is also used to perform complex mathematics within few seconds. It can also be used to handle huge data. Game development. Python is also used in game development. Battlefield 2, Civilization 4, World of Tanks are some popular games that are coded in Python. Everyday tasks, no matter if you are a programmer or not. But learning Python will worth you. Python can enable you to simplify many tasks in your life. Like you can track stock market or crypto prices, convert text into audio, manage your small business easily, etc. Top companies using Python. We have already told you Python is one of the best language to learn. And you also know that why is it most preferred language. You also know that what this language is used for and what are its features. Now it's time to see which top companies are using Python. Google is one of the biggest supporter of Python from nearly the beginning. Yes, it is right, in the beginning some scripts were written for Google in Perl and Bash, but later these were recoded into Python. Facebook is one of the famous social media network, and its code is written in Python. In 2016, CEO of Facebook Mark Zuckerberg said in an interview that Python is currently responsible for multiple services in infrastructure management. Spotify, one of the famous music streaming app, Spotify also uses the Python programming language. Quora is the huge crowdsourced question and answer platform. one of its founder Adam D'Angelo, was decided to go with C#, but later they took their lead from Google and choose Python. Reddit, one of the famous social media platform with nearly 1,000 million visitors every month, and behind it all, the backbone of this software, is Python. Other top software companies include Instagram, Dropbox, Netflix, etc. Why you should learn Python? There are lots of reasons why you should start learning Python right now, which includes best career opportunities. If you are enough good in Python, you can get a chance to land a job in world's top software companies like Google, NASA, Netflix, etc. According to top sources, $92,000 is an average of a Python developer in USA. Freelancing: there are lots of foreign clients that are looking for Python developers in freelancing platforms like Upwork, and they are ready to pay good enough money to Python developers. Data science and machine learning: in this modern world, demand of data science and machine learning is rapidly increasing. You probably may know that Python is used for both machine learning and data science. This is one of the main reasons why the popularity of Python is rapidly increasing. High demand: according to the world's largest job search platform LinkedIn, Python ranks number 2 in the most in-demand programming language in 2021. Now at the end, let's take a short look at the summary of this tutorial. Python is an object-oriented, interactive, and well-known programming language. Python was created by Sir Guido van Rossum in the late 80s, but it was released in early 90s. Features of Python includes easy to code, easy to read, free and open source, high-level language. Python is used for machine learning, back-end, web development, game development, etc. According to top sources, $92,000 is an average salary of a Python developer in USA. Python is most in-demand programming language in 2021. Google, Facebook, Netflix, Quora, Spotify, Reddit are some top companies that are using Python.